some issues with my NHN. So I've had some issues with my NHN. It's working, it's dampening. I'll have to leave you with a really short video because my phone memory is quite low. So, it was dampening earlier. So it's not dampening properly. Yeah, so it's dampening. It's very, very weak though. So can JLD 902 help me with this because it's adjusting itself and it's weak. I can open it with my pinky. You see what? And it's adjusting itself at the moment because it was going a bit fast earlier. Because it was meant to go fast. Like, but it keeps on slowing itself down. So, like it's meant to go like this, but it was going slower. You see, it's just adjusted itself again. So